Hey, what's up? It's your boy Soap and Soul Stat Sketching. How you doing today? Today we're going to talk about how to make money on Fiverr using just PhotoRoom. PhotoRoom is a free app. You can find it on Android or iPhone. Doesn't really matter. And what's unique about this is what you do is just after you download it in the app, open up any photo of yourself or whatever, a person, friend. It doesn't really matter. Just pick something. And after that, what PhotoRoom is going to do is automatically erase the background. It just automatically erases backgrounds, but keeps the forefront focused. So, picture of you or your friend, whatever, something like that. Okay, you can adjust it later on if you want to, but this is the main thing about it. After you do that, you can just have a totally blank background, or you could put in a brand new background if you want. Doesn't really matter. It's up to you. And here's the kick though, with PhotoRoom, it's got this little itty bitty little watermark right there at the bottom. You see that? See that little annoying thing? Okay, here's how you get around it. One is you could buy its subscription, that's $9 something. If you want to do that, that's up to you. Another way that I do it is I put it through another app called PixArt. In PixArt, I can just simply use a clone tool to erase it, or use the erase button, just strip erase it, or I could just crop it out. Whatever, it's up to the the picture. Whatever, it's case by case basis. That's it. You're done. After that, you can go to Fiverr, open up a gig for yourself in Fiverr. That's gonna take just a few minutes. I mean, you gotta do it. That's how you have to do it. And once you're all wrapped up with that, you got a gig ready to go. Set up for how much you want to charge people for to get rid of backgrounds, because background erasure is highly demanded on Fiverr in particular. So yeah, that might be something to look into. And it's like free, well, mostly free. If you want to go and pay for the $9.99 for the watermark removal, that's up to you. But like I said earlier, but don't do that. Be smart. Give a little practice. Just give a little practice. I guarantee you'll get it. You'll get it. Or pretty dang close anyway. Alright, that's all I want to talk about for today. So if you enjoy what I told you and you want to learn more stuff about how to get commissions or whatever, or how to make a little extra money on the side like I'm doing, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Or if you want to help out the channel, there's two different ways, which is one, join the channel. That's simple enough. There's a join button right there at the bottom. Another way is to, well, go to my Patreon, which is patreon.com/soulstarsborn. It's awesome. I know it is. I made it. Yeah. Oh yeah. And also remember, you can visit my website too, which is soulstarsketching.weebly.com. On that, I got my art merch. I got art commissions set up. If you want to get something from me, use it for that or my Patreon. Link my Patreon as well, so you can do that as well. Or you just look over some of my artwork, or even some of my older videos and see how I'm improving. Let me know how I'm doing. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Take care. Bye bye.